sample of lavender, here is how to use it. For relaxation, or just to help you to relax or to rest or to get to sleep, you can put a couple of drops of your sample in your hand by tapping the bottom of the bottle 2 or 3 times. Will get the equivalent of 1 normal drop from your bottle. You're going to rub your hands together. Take some deep breaths in for about 30 seconds. Lovely to do just before bedtime or when you're feeling particularly stressed. You can also choose to rub that on your chest so you'll continue to smell it and inhale it as you're going to sleep. Another way that you can use this, you can put on the soles of your feet when you're going to bed. You can use this topically as a first aid. Brilliant for any sorts of nettle stings, insect bites, any sorts of cuts or burns. So it's a lovely, lovely one to have as a first aid oil. So you can also use your sample for that. So as I say, you tap the bottom of the bottle and the drops will come out. The other thing you can do to help you to get to sleep in the evening is to put a few drops in a glass of water and drink it about 20 minutes to half an hour before you're going to bed. Now this does taste quite flowery, but it will really help you to get to sleep. So enjoy your lavender sample.